Hey everyone, it's Alina and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of kidney health with a delicious twist. We're talking about the top 7 juices that can help cleanse your kidneys and even lower your creatinine levels quickly. I'm all about taking a natural approach to health whenever possible. And when it comes to our kidneys, those amazing filters working hard to keep our bodies clean, we want to give them all the support they can get. So, if you're ready to show your kidneys some love with these easy-to-make refreshing juices, then keep watching. First up, we have a classic cranberry juice. You've probably heard about cranberry juice and its benefits for urinary tract health, right? Well, it's true. Cranberry juice is a powerhouse when it comes to preventing those pesky urinary tract infections, or UTIs. And you know what? Healthy kidneys depend on a healthy urinary tract. UTIs can actually spread up to the kidneys and cause serious infections if left untreated. So by sipping on some cranberry juice, you're not just enjoying a tart and tasty drink, you're giving your kidneys a fighting chance. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Lee, doesn't cranberry juice have a lot of sugar? And you're right, some store-bought versions can be loaded with sugar. That's why I recommend going for unsweetened cranberry juice or diluting it with water. You get all the benefits without the added sugar. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Let's move on to a vibrant and earthy option, beet juice. Now, I know beet juice might not be everyone's cup of tea, but trust me on this one. Beets are packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. And guess what? Free radicals can damage our kidneys, so we want to keep them in check. But that's not all. Beet juice can also help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Inflammation is never a good thing, especially when it comes to our organs. So by incorporating beet juice into your diet, you're giving your kidneys an extra layer of protection against damage and inflammation. Plus, it's a great way to add a pop of color to your day. Next up, we have a zesty and refreshing choice lemon juice. Now, who doesn't love a little squeeze of lemon in their water or tea? But did you know that this tangy citrus fruit can actually help dissolve kidney stones? Yes, you heard that right. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help break down those pesky calcium oxalate stones that can form in the kidneys. Not only that, but lemon juice can also help flush out toxins from the kidneys thanks to its diuretic properties. So, the next time you're looking for a refreshing and kidney-friendly drink, reach for some lemon juice. Your kidneys will thank you for the extra TLC. Let's move on to a health trend, favorite apple cider vinegar. You've probably heard about the countless health benefits of apple cider vinegar, from aiding in weight loss to improving digestion. But did you know that apple cider vinegar can also work wonders for your kidneys? That's right. This fermented wonder can help detoxify the kidneys and improve their overall function. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help break down kidney stones and prevent them from forming in the first place. Plus, it can help balance the body's pH levels, creating a less hospitable environment for bacteria to thrive. So, consider adding a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar to your daily routine. You can add it to your water, salad dressings, or even enjoy it as a refreshing drink diluted with water and a touch of honey. Now let's talk about a root vegetable that's more than just a side dish. Carrots. We all know carrots are good for our eyes, but did you know they can also benefit our kidneys? Carrot juice is a fantastic source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radical damage. As we discussed earlier, free radicals can wreak havoc on our kidneys, so we want to neutralize them as much as possible. Carrots are particularly rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys and supporting their function. So, the next time you're craving a healthy and refreshing drink, give carrot juice a try. Your kidneys will thank you for the extra dose of antioxidants. Let's move on to a juicy and hydrating option, watermelon juice. Watermelon is a summertime favorite for a reason. It's not only delicious and refreshing, but also incredibly hydrating. But here's a juicy tidbit. Watermelon is a natural diuretic. What does that mean? It means that watermelon can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from our bodies, including our kidneys. By increasing urine production, watermelon juice can help keep our kidneys cleansed and functioning optimally. Plus, it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, which further support kidney health. So the next time you're looking for a hydrating and kidney-friendly treat, reach for a slice of watermelon or blend up some refreshing watermelon juice. Last but not least, we have a soothing and aromatic option, ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, and kidney health is no exception. Ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting their overall function. It can also help alleviate nausea, which can be a symptom of kidney problems. To make a soothing cup of ginger tea, simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of honey for added flavor and benefits. So, incorporate ginger tea into your daily routine for a soothing and kidney-friendly experience. So there you have it. Those are my top 7 juice recommendations to help cleanse your kidneys and lower creatinine levels naturally. Remember, taking care of our kidneys is crucial for our overall health and well-being. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious juices into your diet, you'll be giving your kidneys the love and support they deserve. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content, and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural remedies.